Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure passive income with Fiverr. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Fiverr account by visiting the Fiverr website. Click on the join button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. After signing up, verify your email if prompted. Once logged in, click on your profile icon to access your account settings. Complete your profile by providing your full name, profile picture, and a brief description. Highlight your skills and experience to attract potential buyers. Next, navigate to the selling section and click on Gigs. Click on the Create a New Gig button. Choose a specific niche or service you want to offer on Fiverr. Use relevant keywords to optimize your gig title for search visibility. Write a concise gig description detailing what you offer. Clearly outline the benefits of your service to potential customers. Set competitive pricing for your services, considering market rates. Define the delivery time and any extra services you can provide. Upload high-quality images or videos that showcase your work. Include customer testimonials, if available, to build credibility. Set up packages that offer different levels of service to appeal to various budgets. After creating your gig, promote it on social media and relevant online communities. Engage with potential customers through Fiverr's messaging system. Be responsive and answer inquiries promptly to build trust. Once you start receiving orders, deliver quality work on time. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews. Use feedback to improve your services and attract more buyers. Continuously update your gigs based on market trends and customer preferences. Consider offering new services as your skills evolve. Remember, consistency is key to building a successful passive income stream on Fiverr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.